Hi everybody, it's Miss Melissa. I hope you guys are doing well. So I am going to be reading a little story for Cooking Week that's called In the Garden. Now this is a great infant book. There's no words, so you can make up the story as many different ways as you please and read it as many times. So here we go. In the garden. Look at the sun. The sun shining. What's growing? There's a pretty flower. What color's the flower? Looks yellow to me. Look what's being poured. There's seeds. Looks like we have some beans. Maybe some lemons. Ooh, different kinds of seeds. What's gonna happen when we plant these seeds? Ooh, I see animals. I see an ant, a worm, and this looks like a mole to me. And then one of my favorites is a dragonfly. What do you think the sprinkler is doing? I see a whole bunch of water coming out. I hope it helps us grow our seeds. Whoa, look at all these vegetables we have. I see some tomatoes, carrots. This looks like it could be broccoli or cauliflower. These looks like it's potatoes. What are we going to do with those? We can dig them up and then we can put them in our basket and we can go inside and we can cook a nice good meal with them. And that's all. I hope you guys enjoyed my story, and I can't wait to see my friends soon, and I hope you guys are having a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful Wednesday.